About got myself hoarse, I think.
Okay.
Now, can you do that one more thing that you did?
What was that?
The trumpet?
The trumpet, yes.
Oh.
Now you have to explain. This is the muted one.
Yes.
Very, very good. Now was that supposed to be that was a muted trumpet, wasn't it?
Yeah, a muted trumpet or trombone, you know, when they mute it down.
Well, thank you. And you learned that when you were how old?
Oh, well, most of this last few things I learned when I was during the Korean War.
Mm-hmm.
They drafted me in the Army, and I was working in the supply room.
Yes.
And I was sitting around on my rear end a part of the time, me and the supply sergeant and one other guy, and just got to fiddling with it. You know.
Well,
And that's the way it turned out, thank goodness.
Well, thank you, sir.
No,
it was
brother.
been a pleasure.
Right.
See ya.
Right. I'm making an old-timey steam engine train whistle sound.
Okay. Isn't that great? Thank you very much, sir.
I hope you're teaching somebody to do this.